Although this isn't very common, there are still some websites that have PDFs within their pages instead of them being actual website pages that also have links off to those PDFs. So this is a page of certifications, and if you click on any of these, it will bring up the PDF of each of these for people to view, download. Now you might think that's enough, but there are opportunities here because PDFs, although they can be read by search engines, it's not as easy for them and AI engines to see the content of those PDFs. It makes a lot of sense for these to be individual pages on the website, and each of those pages to explain a bit more about what it means for the prospect customer, and also to give them the option to download the PDF from there as well. So as an example, you've got this SSAB CCTV certificate. People could be able to click on that link, go to a page that talks about what that certificate actually means to them as a potential customer, and then have the opportunity to click on that and view the PDF itself. So that will help from a human point of view. It will also help from a search engine point of view. And although it is rare that websites just have PDFs instead of pages in some cases, it's worth looking out for and correcting if you can.